Thanks for watching another no-nonsense Airbnb video. If Airbnb is charging you 15% host commission instead of the expected 3%, this is what you need to do. Log into Airbnb from your computer, click on your profile image on the top right, go to your account, and then click on payments and payouts, and then click on service fee. This is where you can choose the service fee model. There are two models at the moment. By default, they set it to split fee pricing, which means 3% will be taken from you and the guest will pay about 14%. But in some cases, I have seen Airbnb is now starting to default simplified pricing model, which means the host pays the 15% commission and the guest does not pay any service fee to Airbnb, which also means the price which you set on the calendar, that is the exact same price guest will be paying when they are booking your property. You can simply switch between these two models from here, and any future booking you will get from now on will be based on the model you choose here. But any booking you have already received, unfortunately, you cannot go back and change the service fee model on them. And you can still choose the service model which you want for the future bookings. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you need me to make a video about something. And you can click on the link below in the description for my no-nonsense Airbnb masterclass. Until next time, bye-bye.